Alright guys, you're welcome to the YouTube channel. So right here, I want to show you guys how to get registered on LiveGood. Okay, so this is not a presentation video on how it works. No, this video is just going to show you how to get registered. Immediately you click on that link on the video description, or immediately you click on my referral link, then it will take you to this page. Then watch how you can register. If you want to know how it works, you can definitely message me on WhatsApp using the number showing on your screen or the number on the video description. Okay, so when you click on the referral link, then it will take you to this page. So I will also show you how to activate your account using maybe Trust Wallet or your Binance. Okay, I will show you how to do that. So when it takes you to this page, after clicking on that referral link, you have to fill in your first name, your second name, and your email address. Then after that, you click on reserve my position right now. Okay, so just watch this. It's very easy. So it will take you to this page. You have to just scroll down. Okay, scroll down to the downside. You can see join. Just click on join. Then if you click on join, it will take you to the page where you have to fill your personal information. So you put in your phone number right here, then you input your username, then you put your password, you still confirm that same password here, then select your membership. Just option 1 is okay. Okay, just select option 1. Okay, so please make sure you don't be on a hurry to fill your form. Calm down and fill your form. Okay, so right now, after that, billing and shipping information, you put in which country are you from. Okay, you put your country, you put your full name, your address line, where are you staying. Okay, you can still input that same address line to the address line too. Then your city, your state, and also your city postal code. Okay, so that's it guys. It is very easy like that. Then your payments method now is the next thing. Now you will choose pay using cryptocurrency. Just click on payment method. You will choose pay using cryptocurrency. People in American can definitely use their credit card to make payments. Okay, but if you're not in American, you pay using cryptocurrency. Okay, so right here, after that, you click on continue guys. It's very easy. So here is a confirmation. You can check very well if everything you filled is very easy guys. I told you this is just $50, 49.95, just $50. Okay, so after that, you just click on this small box right here. Click on this one. I agree terms and condition. Just the two small box. Then you click on complete my sign up. Okay, it's very easy. So we are almost done. We're almost done. Boom. So here is the payment page now. So you have to click on pay with crypto. Okay, now let's pay our $50. Pay with crypto. Then you click right here to select the crypto you want to pay with. For me, I would recommend you to use USDT Tron. Okay, USDT Tron, because one USDT is equivalent to $1. Okay, so just it will take you to this page where you have to just copy your address. Okay, they gave you time. You can see you have 14 minutes to make your payment. Copy your address, then you go back to your Trust Wallet. Let's use Trust Wallet first. So if you're using Trust Wallet first to make our payments, for people using Trust Wallet, it's very easy. You paste the address here that you copied from the site, then you put in $50. Okay, just 50. Okay, then you can now continue. Then you confirm your transaction. Okay, very easy like that. So don't worry, don't click on send now. Okay, let's check if it has gone, if it has show completed from our Trust Wallets. Okay, completed. Then we have to click on send. Immediately you send your $50, click on send. It will take you to this page. That's all. So for those using Binance, let me show you what to do. If you click on your USDT on Binance, okay, then you click on withdraw. Okay, you send via crypto network. Then you paste, like you paste your address right here. Okay, that address you copied on the site, you paste it right here. Then you will choose network TRC Tron TRC20. That's the network you will choose. Okay, then confirm. Even your Trust Wallet, make sure it is Tron TRC20. Then amount. Now here's what I want to show you right now. If you input $50, watch here, you will see that they are charging, the TRC network is charging $2.60. Okay, $2.60 for service charge for network fee. So if you put $50, you're going to get $47 in your account, which is not going to reflect. So you need to put send at least minimum of $50. Okay, so right now you're going to input 52.6. Now you can see that you will receive $50. Okay, you will receive 50 USDT once you send 52.6 from your Binance. Okay, I'm just showing you this guys. This is a new update from the TRC20 network on all exchanges. It has changed. They increased their fee. So here is how you can send your $50 from your Binance to your account. Then when you've sent it, then you go back to your account, you click on send. That's all. You click on send. After sending it, remember, then you're done. You can now log into your account. Okay, log into your accounts. Here is how your account look like. Then if you want to know how to make use of it, you can message me on WhatsApp using the link on the video description.